Hello friends, this recipe pairs our Thai nut butter sauce with wild-caught shrimp and a few Asian-inspired vegetables I found this week. Garlic scapes, a farmer's market find in the spring. Vine sweet mini peppers for color. And crispy, crunchy snow peas. Okay, let's move into our peaceful prep. Look for wild-caught Gulf shrimp if you can, untouched by antibiotics, preservatives, or chemicals. And if they're already peeled and deveined, it makes prep a whole lot easier. For the most flavorful tender shellfish, salt only 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Otherwise, the delicate membrane walls will become tough, dry, or even chewy. Our leafy green spinach, packed, of course, with countless nutrients for your gut health. Snow peas add a wonderful crunch to your dish and loaded with vitamins A and C. I throw in the crunch and nutrients of mung bean sprouts as well. Sweet mini peppers are brilliant in color, yet mild in flavor, which can be helpful if we have a tender gut lining. Garlic scapes are the long green shoots that grow from the garlic bulb, and they're an amazing way to add garlicky flavor to your favorite dishes. Shiitake mushrooms are rich in compounds that help protect against cell damage. And one of the few mushrooms with tough woody stems, so you want to snap those off and discard them. Our Thai nut butter sauce is an irresistible combination of zesty lime, creamy almond butter, and a hint of heat, so it's nice and gut-friendly. Fire up your pan to a medium-high heat. Add a dab of healthy fat for a quick searing of your shrimp. Don't worry about the caramelized bits in the bottom of the pan. This is called fond, and when you add healthy fat for your next batch, they'll loosen up and add savory flavor back into your vegetables. Push the mushrooms to the side of the pan, making room to sauté your garlic scapes. These vegetables all saute up so quickly, we simply add our snow peas to the batch. Here is where we add a touch of salt, the sparkle to your dish. Add your final ingredients: peppers, mung beans, and finally your spinach leaves. Absolutely packed with nutrients for your body and microbiome. Mix back in your cooked shrimp, and a tablespoon or two of your irresistible sauce. I save the remaining sauce for a dip or salad dressing the next day. Finally, as always, dive in and enjoy.